Welcome to week 4 of college algebra. And first and foremost, congratulations on finishing up your first exam last week. And for this week, we will be continuing on exploring the functions, domain, range, and the rate of change. So for functions, we will be introduced to the piecewise defined functions, and we'll be talking more about the average rate of change. And also, we'll be talking about the local and global minimum and maximum points of graphs. So let's start by going over what's posted under the Learning Resources folder. So we have the PowerPoints of the, these are the actual PowerPoints that's used in the lectures, and we have the recording of the lectures. So this is functions and domain is 3.1, and piecewise functions, this is for 3.2 and 3.3. We have additional resources here, videos and links, and also the practice. So feel free to utilize all of the things posted here if you need additional practice. All right, and after you go through the Learning Resources folder, we're going to go to this week's assignments. So for this week's discussion board, you have 2 questions. First question is, in one word, how would you describe the exam 1 from last week? This could be just you talking about the difficulty level. And second question is, what was most challenging about exam 1? It could have been the time constraint or the difficulty level of the exam problems or other technical difficulties that you may have experienced. And we have our homework here, and homework problems are listed as these. And please try not to submit any of these files, only probably, I'm sorry, you can submit these files, but please don't put anything else. I've had some students submit their video files. I couldn't find out what that was or why that's happening because I can't run, it doesn't seem to run, open the video files. Okay, and all right, so both of these assignments are due on September 27th by 11:59. And if you have any questions, please do email me.